Welcome. If you want to get Galaxy animated wallpaper on your Samsung Galaxy M51, for the first you have to go for the Play Store, tap on the search pool and type here Shadow Galaxy. And we have to get this application. After that we can simply open. Click open one more time and click to set the wallpaper. And here of course you get the preview how this wallpaper is going to look. So we can apply on the lock screen and also on the home screen. And after that, you can enjoy this beautiful Galaxy animated wallpaper on your Samsung Galaxy M51. So thank you guys for watching, leave thumbs ups, comments and subscribe to our channel.